Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be reacting to another suggested song. So I'm very excited for this one. So without further ado, we will be reacting to Ricky Vallen, Save Me Now, Passagem de som, Programa Raul Gil, Shadow Brazil to SBT. So I hope this video not gonna be black because I got another video from Ricky Vallen. It was black, so unfortunately I upload but nobody can see that. So without further ado, we will start. So let's go. Let's start. Beautiful voice, very nice, smooth. I love it. Oh, his voice is amazing. Wow.
All the time that I gave away, I can do you, yeah, no. And all the love that I never met, I can do you, yeah.
Oh my God, I really love his voice, and when he hitting this high note, it's beautiful, it's very smooth, it's nice, and when he's singing, he is so relaxed and like nothing happened, but his voice is amazing. He is just smiling, it's very nice. So let's continue.
Nothing will be more than loving to me. Yeah, you give you the taste of the love that I hide. But in that condition, I thought that we lost to help me watch every time in my pride. Oh, 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 save me now.
Ah, oh my God. His voice is totally amazing, and I love this song, and I really enjoyed watching him and listening to his beautiful voice. He's super talented.
Can't stop fantasy with you in my mind. Lord, boy, love is in me. Oh, it's frustrating. when I needed so much to help me walk at the time in my pride. Oh, save me now from the depth of my infatuation. Over the road in the sea of love.
I'm speechless with this performance. I'm totally amazed with his beautiful voice. He's totally amazing.
Won't you sing me now? Oh, goodbye, baby. Oh, in the sea of love, in isolation. Oh, I'll take you down if you just say me. No, save me now. Oh, save me
So that is the end. Oh my god. I'm speechless. I'm shocked. I'm totally amazed with his performance. Oh my god. He got very nice voice. OMG. I really enjoyed watching him and listening to his beautiful voice. So I would like to say thank you so much to the person who suggests this one. This is totally amazing. I really love it. So that is my reaction for this video. And before I forget, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you will be notified if I have new video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some suggestions, just comment down below. I'm reading all your comments. So that's all for now. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.